Hello students. In the previous lecture of this chapter, we discussed the structure of chromosome, structure of DNA and the cell cycle. So today we are going to do how the cell it divides itself. So first of all, what is cell cycle? Cell cycle What is cell cycle? It is the series of events that occur between the formation of the cell until the cell it divides. Is divided. So the division of cell, it is divided into further two parts. The first one is mitosis and interphase. Mitotic phase and the interphase. We have already discussed the interphase in detail in the previous lecture, that interphase has further three stages: G1 stage, that is the growth 1 stage, S stage, synthesis stage, and the growth 2 stage. So now when the cell it has reached the G2 phase, it is ready to enter the next phase, that is the mitotic phase. तो इन सब चीज़ों को समझने से पहले लेट अस डिस्कस फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, हम लोग अपने पैदा होने से लेकर वी बिकम अ मैन, तो इन दीज फ्यू स्टेजेस हम लोग बहुत सारी चेंजेस फेस करते हैं. सो दीज ऑल चेंजेस फ्रॉम अ लिटिल बेबी टू अ एडल्ट मैन, ऑल दीज चेंजेस हैपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द सेल डिवीजन. क्या होता है? कांस्टेंट सेल अपने आप को डिवाइड करता है एंड विच टेंड्स टू द फिजिकल ग्रोथ इन ऑल ऑफ अस. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी हैव एनी स्मॉल वुंड और एनी स्मॉल कट, तो उसको सबसे पहले हम लोग अच्छे से वॉश करते हैं, देन वी अप्लाई सम काइंड ऑफ मेडिसिन ऑन इट, एंड आफ्टर फ्यू डेज व्हेन वी अगेन नोटिस दैट स्मॉल कट और स्मॉल वुंड, व्हाट वी नोटिस कि वो अपने आप ही ठीक हो जाता है. सो हाउ इट हैपन्स? बिकॉज the skin it repairs and cell they have repaired themselves and they have divided themselves to grow the new cells. Similarly, growth of hair, growth of nails, they all are happening in our body as a result of the cell division. So how a cell divides? It is going to divide itself by the mitosis phase. तो अभी माइटोसिस फेजेस में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेजेस इंक्लूड होती हैं. और कौन से स्टेजेस इंक्लूड होती हैं इनमें? Mitosis cell division is a cell division which happens in all the cells which are present from head to toe except our germ cells, our reproductive organs, testes in males and ovaries in females. बाकी इन दोनों को छोड़ के जितने भी सेल्स हैं हमारी बॉडी में, वो कैसे डिवाइड होते हैं? थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ माइटोसिस. एंड जो दूसरे सेल्स हैं, दैट आर द जर्म सेल्स, रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स, दे आर डिवाइडेड बाय द meiosis phase. उनमें meiosis cell division होती है. So what is the main difference between mitosis and meiosis? Mitosis, in this the cell division occurs from the head to toe cells except reproductive organs. And in this the reproductive organs they take place. In this only 2 daughter cells are formed. And in this 4 daughter cells are formed. Next, in this mitosis, the number of chromosomes they are restored, means 23 pairs of chromosome they are going to form 23 pairs only. And in meiosis जो नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम है वो 23 पेयर से 23 क्रोमोसोम्स ही रह जाएंगे, इनमें कम हो जाएंगे. 23 पेयर विल चेंज इनटू 23 क्रोमोसोम्स ओनली. नेक्स्ट, these make the diploid chromosomes and these make the haploid ones. In this, the cells they repair and replace, and in this to form gametes, testes, males, and ovaries in females. So this is the basic difference between the mitosis cell division and the meiosis cell division. Now let's proceed further. Now the question comes, what are the different phases of mitosis? So the first phase of mitosis is the interphase. Interphase we have already discussed. It is the longest period in which the cell remains and undergoes various changes. ठीक है, इंटरफेस हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है. इंटरफेस के बाद हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट फेज आता है दैट इज द अर्ली प्रोफेज. आफ्टर अर्ली प्रोफेज वी हैव लेट प्रोफेज, then metaphase, then early anaphase, late anaphase, and telophase. So first stage is interphase, early prophase, late prophase, metaphase, early anaphase, late anaphase, and telophase. So let's proceed with the interphase. We have already discussed the interphase. In the interphase stage, the cell it undergoes 3 stages: G1 stage, synthesis stage, and the G2 stage. ठीक है, interphase में होता क्या है? Cell it remains for the longest time and longest period and undergoes development inside it. So this is the cell membrane. Cell membrane, it has centrosomes, it has a nucleus membrane in which thickened chromatin fibers are present. क्रोमोसोम्स अभी फॉर्म नहीं हुए हैं इसमें. thickened chromatin fibers are present inside it. Clear? Then it has a nucleolus, and it has a nucleus also. So let's label the diagram. This is the cell membrane, this is the nuclear membrane, nucleolus, centrosomes, so nucleus inside it. So इस सेल में और भी सारी सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज है. माइटोकॉन्ड्रियाज आर देयर, गोल्गी apparatus is there, lysosomes, every cell organelle is present in the cell, but I have just made those organelles that are going to take part in the cell division. So centrosome is going to take part in the cell division, so I have made centrosome here. Okay, so this is the interphase. Interphase is the longest phase in which the cell remains for the longest time till it reaches the next stage, and here it undergoes the certain developmental changes. ठीक है जी. Next phase is the early prophase. Now what happens in the early prophase? Now next stage is the early prophase. In this early prophase, what happens? The cell membrane will remain the same. This cell membrane, it will remain the same. The cell membrane will remain the same, and the nuclear membrane which is inside it, it will also remain the same. So what is going to change now? What changes are going to take place in this? जो chromatin fibers condense थे, they are going to change into the chromosomes. So the chromatin fibers, the condensed chromatin fibers are going to change into the chromosomes. ठीक है, क्या होएगा? So what are chromosomes? Two chromatids, they are joined together with a centromere. So cell membrane is going to remain same, nuclear membrane is going to remain same, and the condensed chromatin fiber, it is going to change into the chromosomes. Here I have made only 4 chromosomes just to make the diagram more understanding and tidy है, neat and clean है. वैसे there are 23 pair of chromosomes, तो 23 pairs नहीं बनाए हैं क्योंकि उससे diagram will become more untidy. ठीक है. Chromatin fibers will change into chromosomes. Nucleolus will disappear. Nucleolus will disappear. And जो centrosome था हमारा present, that will start splitting into centrioles. In centrioles means like this. ठीक है. And these centrioles, they will have ester rays in them. अब सबसे पहले what is the difference between a centrosome and a centriole? Centrosome single compact organelle होती है which is present inside the cell and it is responsible for the cell division. But जब cell division start हो जाता है, when it starts occurring, the centrosomes they split to form 2 rounded bodies which gives out ester rays. And if you remember when we were doing cell cycle, in that cell cycle जब हम लोग G2 phase growth 2 phase discuss कर रहे थे, उसमें I have told you that this phase it starts producing microtubules. So microtubules क्या बनाती हैं? एस्टर रेज. उनसे क्या बनते हैं? एस्टर रेज. सो माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स का ये काम होता है कि वो क्या बनाती है? जब सेल अपने आप को डिवाइड करता है, इट फॉर्म्स व्हाट? इट फॉर्म्स एस्टर रेज. So this is known as early prophase. In this, the cell membrane, the nuclear membrane, it remains the same. The condensed chromatin fiber, it changes into the chromosomes, and the nucleolus, it disappears. The centrosome, it starts splitting to form centrioles, and these rays, these microtubules, through them these rays have been formed, these ester rays. Now the next phase, next is the late prophase. Now what happens in the late prophase? इसमें चेंजेस क्या क्या होते हैं? सबसे पहले तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन विल स्टार्ट डिसअपियरिंग. कंप्लीटली नहीं होगी बट शुरू हो जाएगी डिसअपियर करना. इट विल नॉट कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर. देन जो सेंट्रियोल्स पहले हमारे पास सेंटर में थे, इधर थे in the early prophase, now in the late prophase they will start coming towards the pole, and ester rays will now start forming the spindle fibers. First of all, let's make the diagram. Nuclear membrane will start disappearing. ठीक है, और जो हमारी एस्टर रेज हैं वो कहाँ पे आ गई? पोल पे. And they have start making what? They have start making spindle fibers like this. Now what is the difference between ester rays and spindle fibers? Ester rays are what? They are the small structures. ये क्या करती हैं? They start arising from the centrioles and prophase में अपने आप को बनाना शुरू कर देती हैं. And these ester rays जब ये fully fleshed tubular structures बन जाती हैं, इनको हम लोग spindle fibers कहते हैं, जो अपने साथ क्रोमोसोम को अटैच करवा लेती हैं. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स के ऊपर क्या होती हैं? क्रोमोसोम अटैच होते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग विच इज नीडेड टू बी अंडरस्टैंड, दैट जो स्पिंडल फाइबर होते हैं उसके ऊपर एक ही क्रोमोसोम अपने आप को अटैच करता है. मीन्स इफ इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी देयर आर 23 पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, सो देयर मीन्स 46 क्रोमोसोम्स, so there will be 46 spindle fibers. So number of chromosome is equal to number of spindle fibers. Now what is going to happen? These ester rays, they have moved towards the pole. Now the chromosomes, they are start going to attach themselves on them like this, one chromosome on each spindle fiber. ठीक है. So cell membrane is same, nuclear membrane it has start disappearing. The ester rays वो सेंटर में से अपने आप को कहाँ पे ले आई? पोल्स पे. एंड एस्टर रेज दे हैव स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग द स्पिंडल फाइबर्स, एंड ईच क्रोमोसोम इट हैज स्टार्ट अटैचिंग इटसेल्फ ऑन द ईच स्पिंडल फाइबर. सो नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ स्पिंडल फाइबर्स. लेट्स जस्ट लेबल द डायग्राम. Nuclear membrane, ester rays, these are the spindle fibers, and these are the chromosomes. So this change has been taken place in the late prophase. Now what happens in the next phase? That is the मेटाफेज. What happens in the मेटाफेज? इसमें जो हमारी न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन है विच वॉज प्रेजेंट इन द लेट प्रोफेज विच स्टार्टेड डिसअपियरिंग, ये प्रॉपरली खत्म हो जाएगी, डिसअपियर हो जाएगी. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स दे विल कंप्लीटली फॉर्म, एंड देन द क्रोमोसोम्स जो रैंडमली उन पे अरेंज हुए थे, यहाँ पे कोई करा था हमने, यहाँ पे, वो एक साथ एक लाइन में अरेंज हो जाएंगे एक दूसरे के साथ. लेट्स मेक द डायग्राम. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, सेल मेम्ब्रेन विल बी देयर, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इट हैज डिसअपियर्ड. ठीक है, एस्टर रेज हैव ऑलरेडी कम टूवर्ड्स द पोल्स एंड ये अब प्रॉपरली स्पिंडल फाइबर्स बनाएंगी और जो क्रोमोसोम्स इन पे रैंडमली अरेंज थे वो इन पे एक लाइन में अरेंज हो जाएंगे लाइक दिस. Like this they are going to arrange themselves, means in the equatorial plane. They are going to arrange themselves in a single line, means in an equatorial plane. So this is again a cell membrane. These are the ester rays. These are the spindle fibers. These are the chromosomes which are attached in the equatorial plane. ठीक है, so this is what happens in the metaphase. Now the next phase, which one is the next phase now? Next phase is early anaphase. Now what happens in the early anaphase? Abhi we know that a chromosome is a two chromatids joined together with a centromere. Clear? इस फेज में क्या होगा, जो क्रोमोसोम्स होंगे वो दो दो क्रोमैटिड्स में डिफरेंट हो जाएंगे, मतलब हाफ हाफ हो जाएंगे ऐसे, एंड दे विल अटैच देमसेल्व्स ऑन द स्पिंडल फाइबर्स लाइक दिस. सेल मेम्ब्रेन, ester rays, spindle fibers, now the chromosomes, they have split to attach themselves like this on the fibers. This is what is going to happen in this early anaphase. The whole chromosome, it is going to divide itself from the centromere and it is going to attach itself on the spindle fiber in this way. So this is what happens in the early anaphase. So let's just label again. This is the cell membrane, ester rays, spindle fibers and chromatids. एक पूरा क्रोमोसोम था, दो क्रोमैटिड होते हैं तो वो अपने आप को सिंगल सिंगल क्रोमैटिड में चेंज कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस इन द अर्ली एनाफेज. नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड इन द लेट एनाफेज. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द लेट एनाफेज. Now what happens in the late anaphase? Now जो क्रोमैटिड्स हमने इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन में ज्वाइन करे थे वो अपने आप को पोल्स पे लेके आएंगे जहाँ पे हमारी एस्टर रेज है, एंड अ स्मॉल फरो इज गोइंग टू डेवलप इनसाइड द सेल which will lead to the cell division. For example, this is going to happen. Furrow has been formed which is going to take part in the, which is going to lead the division of the cells. And now जो chromosomes, जो chromatids हमारे equatorial plane में थे, they have कम टूवर्ड्स दी पोल, यहाँ पे आके इन्होंने अपने आप को अटैच कर लिया. दिस इज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन द late anaphase. The chromatids, they have reached the poles. The cell membrane, it has formed a furrow inside it to lead the cell division. Clear? Now next one is telophase. Telophase can further divided into two parts, early telophase and the late telophase. Now what happens in the early telophase? Early and late. Now what happens in the early one? In the early telophase, the furrow has deepened. Means the furrow, it has deepened like this. The furrow has deepened and the centrioles again start developing. Nuclear membrane starts developing. Nucleolus is there. The chromatin fibers, they have again become dense. Nuclear membrane starts developing. Chromatin fibers has become dense. Nucleolus has occurred and centrosomes they have again formed. तो यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट जो सेल है वो अपने आप को डिवाइड कर लेता है टू फेजेस में. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसमें दोबारा से वही चीजें बन जाती हैं जो शुरू में हमारे पास बनी थी इन द फर्स्ट फेज, इन द इंटरफेज, जहां से वो सेल साइकिल अपने आप को, in which the cell cycle it happened and then further it has to take part into the cell division. So centrosome, nucleolus, thickened chromatin fibers, nuclear membrane starts developing, then this is the cell membrane. ठीक है, this is the early telophase. Now what happens in the late telophase? In the late telophase, the cells will properly divide themselves into two daughter cells. The cells will completely divide themselves into the two daughter cells. Means cell membrane, nuclear membrane, thickened chromatin fibers, nucleolus and the centrosomes. So these are the different phases of we have taken the topic cell division. So I hope you all must have understood the different phases of mitotic cell division. So in the next lecture we are going to discuss the phases of the meiosis cell division. So till then, please revise the two lectures: structure of chromosome, structure of DNA, cell cycle and the cell division.